Hello, welcome back to episode something. Episode something. I think I'm also going to be forgetting what I'm supposed to put in the thumbnail while I'll just not put episode at all. Welcome back to Chip and Sons Lumbako. In the last video, Fun Fungal takes the Fun Fungal and a lot of our stuff. And also we have these two weird things in that thing. We finally have almost enough. We need one more, and thank you for giving me an extra one at the end of last episode. Anyway, we just need one more mouse number and we're done with this thing. So yeah, what we're gonna do? Go cuckoo. Anyway, we are going to go today and get a new Tinker Junior. Tinker Junior. Let's just call him. We will think of a name when we reach there. Okay, we're back. Don't give me a mini game. No, not a. I told you, not a mini game. I want the show. I mean, let's just see if we can master this game. Oh, I didn't press in time. I was wondering where I was again. Alright, enough. Okay, like that. Thanks. Oh, that's a man. We already got enough. Oh, sorry, I'm starting this. We already have enough for the frog. Hello? Hello? What happened? My laptop hang? I'm gonna fix this problem and I'll be right back. Okay, this thing is officially gone insane. I'm gonna try to fix it. I'm having very technical difficulties. Because when I press this is technically gone. But I'm still stuck with this screen. Do I have to off my laptop? I'm scared it won't save my progress. That's what I'm afraid about. I'll come back when I resolve the problem. I'm gonna try shutting down the laptop. Hopefully nothing happens. Because if I lose all my progress, I'm gonna quit Chip and Sons. Okie dokie, time to shut down. I have no idea what is happening. Why don't it just happened? Oh, it just shut down. Okay. Okay, just gonna have to. I should have pressed restart instead of shutdown. Okay, I'll be right back. Or I just shut it out my laptop now to turn it back on. Okay, it's turning on, and yes, I do use Windows 7. I do use Windows 7. If you're wondering what that was, I use a big screen for volume and all that stuff. Okay, did Chipper just curse my laptop or glitch it or something? Chipper, what have you done? I mean, he's a good guy. Unless he's a robot. Alright, time to on Chip and Sons Lumberco again. Okay, everything's on. I'm assuming that's just a game glitch. Plus, Scott said it was the full game. But still, it is a game. It is a very nice game. Scott, you have nailed yourself to the wall. It's awesome. Anyway, I need to wait for this thing to boot up. Please, save my progress. That's all I'm asking. Save me progress. Pretty please. Okay, it's booting up. I can already tell. It's booting up. Please save me progress. Oh, thank goodness. Still loading. Okay, we're back. Alright. We're going to ignore what just happened. And I'm going to continue on without adventure. Because I... Okay, still after frogs. What did I just witness? Chipper, what did you do to my laptop, Chipper? That smile of yours. You did something, Chipper. I know you did. Not you, Tinker Junior. You're very nice. You're very kind. Alright. Time to pill. Okay, I'm just going to ignore you that, even though you just glitched the game as laptop. Yeah, it's gonna work. I'll come right back to you, C. Billy. Still bail. Why am I going here? I just want to go check. Oh no. Then I got this one. Then I go this way. Either way, I still have to go up. I hate you guys. You pulled me at the wrong time. The sound effects come and then go. Oh, thanks for the study number, Tinker Junior. About a brother, brother. Wait, does it replace Tinker Junior? Finally. Right. You are kidding, right? 35 coins? How? Do you know how many I have built? Well, I guess I have to go use the original way. Anyway, time to go build the frogs thingamabobb. Did I build it here? Who knows? One day I will come. You're gonna make me so angry. Okay, let me down. Did you guys do it? I'm thinking no. Oh, thanks. Wait, you got me a present, didn't you? I'm confused. Alright. Where are we gonna build this thing? Maybe I'll just build it around here. No one's gonna notice that I deleted you. Let's build the frog tower. There we go. Still, oh, I got 44. That's good. Alright. So now we're going to basically just continuously build these guys just to get viewer points. So it's kind of like a again random number. Cause I forgot to make number. Makes sense. All right, let's talk. Hey, that thing you built was great. You know that one thing, great. Sniffle. You made your papa proud. I made a cake for you and all the hard work. It was chocolate. I accidentally sat on it. It smelled like vanilla after that. Ooh, the wonders of nature. You sat on the cake? And it smelled like vanilla? Oh, well at least you know to cook. Anyway, now listen, I found a special someone for you. She isn't like the others. I think she's the best. This is the one. Do you get me vanilla? The cake? Yourself? So people say I make really bad jokes, but I think I'm a hood. To be honest, I don't think that's the worst that Chipper did. I mean, it doesn't look ugly. It's not dumb. It's not entirely kindergarten dropout dumb. It's good. Alright? Alright, let's see the next task. You're getting good at this. Now I want you to impress me with your minigame skills. Collect all 5 minigame items at once. You could have made me build something with 600 moss. I would have been okay with that. Oh! Frog. Okay. That's your frog, huh? Interesting. Please let us show our gratitude for. These guys keep on sending me this weird stuff. Okay. Minigame time! We're gonna do the hard, the easy ones first. So, wait. Show me the mini games. Oh, is there an order? Is Tinker's one up first? I'm thinking that Tinker's one is up first. I'm pretty sure Tinker's one is up first. Because none of the other ones are showing any mini games. Oh, are you gonna say something? Oh, you're still gonna say Earl. I feel sad for you and Earl. That's you. Tinker? No, Tinker's not even gonna. He's not even gonna buy. How did I just get 6? Did I want 500? The termite tokens thing is kinda useless. Well, we're not nearly done. We're not near done at all. Okay, now we're just gonna have to walk. But I think it didn't offer a mini game. Where do I go for the first mini game? Oh, is it down here? Is it the jellies one? Because you guys did offer me a mini game once. Sad toy. I don't get it. I mean, he did ask us to play a mini game. Hey, do you see that? Don't tell me you did not see that. I was flying on a whale. That is weird. They're just gonna play this mini game. Bounce, 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 bounce. Let's start this. Easiest one. I should have not said that. Oh, oh, oh. Is it just me or did it just get harder? No! I'm so sad after that. Fun Fungus, did you make it? Did you make this game harder, Fun Fungal? No! This game got harder. Okay. I watch people when they sleep. Thanks for the interesting thing, I guess. That was something bouncing there. That was weird. Okay. What's the next mini game that I have to play? Is it on here? Is it the jellyfish one? No, you just tell that. Oh, the father jellyfish one is also gonna be a problem. Thanks for the tomato coins. You don't need them. Just 45 for 9. Just go. It's almost 15 minutes, so the end of this episode is almost near. Where's the next mini game? If you're not gonna give me a mini game, I am going to go. Oh, he's gonna talk. How I wish it was only my eyes alive in the dark, rather than thoughts alive in the darkness of. for the candle box. Thank you, if you gone insane. Thank you, you're not helping me anymore. You're making me mad. Give me what I want. A minigame. You're not even giving me a minigame. Where's the next minigame? Saber's not even giving me. I don't know this the next minigame. You know what? I feel like I have to go back. When I go back, will there be something interesting? No. Well, I have to collect this. Now will you give me something? Let's check all these things. We have to check because there is a jellyfish game. Still aren't giving me what I need. I'm getting mad right now. This is gonna be a tough challenge. Are you old? Maybe that's the case. I hate you now. I really hate you. I really hate you! Why can't you just give me what I need? Why? Oh, you always talking like... There's always... That's a lot of things that I'll leave. What do you want from me? Oh, you're the guy who's giving me all the stuff. Cause the mask. Throw it back, throw it back. Ha ha, throw it back. Oh, this one for one. I'm getting mad. Where is the next minigame? Am I doing something wrong? Oh, you're gonna talk now. Bring me on the sea. Oh, because we saw that thing just now. Will I be floating underwater? The sea is calling to us, telling us how the waves whisper and give up the secrets. Is this new? Why are we slowing down? Are we getting close? Do you sense something nearby? I knew you could count on you. We're gonna sink? Or are we gonna be shot up in the air? No, it's gonna be synced. At least give me a minigame! I'm okay with your minigame, Sibyl. I'm getting tired of waiting. Oak. Meat stones. Oh, maybe now we'll get some other people. Maybe it's like a certain order. I'm not sure. Let's just go. Why can't you give me anything? You useless whales. And I don't mean that. It's just for the game. Okay, that's it. Well, that's gonna be it for this episode, guys. I hope you like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Adios.